Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, March 20th, 2025, we're diving deep into the QQQ, the Nasdaq ETF, analyzing both the latest market news and the chart data to uncover potential trading opportunities. First, let's recap some of the key news items affecting the Nasdaq. According to recent reports, the stock market is showing mixed signals after the Federal Reserve's latest decision. While there was an initial rally, gains seem to be reversing. Nvidia's stock is also under pressure, particularly after its GTC event failed to impress investors, leading to a decline in the Nasdaq. Concerns about economic slowdown and potential tariff risks are further contributing to market uncertainty. Now, let's transition to the chart analysis and see how these events are reflecting in the price action of QQQ. We'll start with the daily chart to get a broader perspective. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a significant period of volatility over the past several months. There's been a general upward trend, but interspersed with sharp pullbacks, particularly in late March of 2024 and again in August of 2024. There was a large bullish move near the end of 2024. These drops could correlate with concerns about trade war triggers global recession investors. We see a peak was established before the end of 2024 around the 538 level. However, the early part of 2025 shows a decline with volatility, before recovering to a bit above 510 by February of 2025. This indicates periods of strong selling pressure, so it's important to watch these key levels for potential reversals or continuation of the current trend. We'll focus on a smaller range of candles now to analyze more recent market activity. Let's take a closer look at what happened around the beginning of March of 2025. Focusing on this range, we can see the price struggling to maintain its upward trajectory with many volatile candles. There was a significant drop around early March. This drop coincides with reports of investor allocation to U.S. equities and a belief that the biggest risk to the market is trade war triggers global recession. The price has been hovering in this range ever since, trying to re-establish bullish momentum. Let's switch over to the 1-hour chart to get a more detailed look at recent price action. Looking at the hourly chart, we can see more clearly the price movement recently. We can identify a recent support level around 472, but see continued consolidation. It's important to note that this range has multiple rejections of previous support, as it briefly pushes through that area before snapping back. This range could lead to more downside, or we could be seeing it consolidate for a push upwards. Switching to the 15-minute chart, we can see more granular price action and identify short-term trading opportunities. Currently, the QQQ is trading around 480. This level has acted as both support and resistance in the very short term. If we see a break below 479 with strong volume, it could signal a short-term bearish move towards the 477 area. Conversely, a sustained break above 481.50 could indicate a bullish move towards 483. To recap, some important levels to watch are the support around 472, as well as the resistance of 480. If the price breaks 472 with conviction on the daily chart, a bearish scenario becomes more likely. However, the likelihood seems about 50-50, and it would take a strong bearish catalyst and price action to confirm. On the other hand, if QQQ can sustain above 483, we might see a run back towards the December 2024 highs. However, this seems like it is only a 30% chance with the current news and market state. Keep an eye on the volume accompanying these movements, as well as further economic data releases and news regarding interest rates, as those will also dictate short and long-term outlooks. Thank you for joining us on Explain the Charts.